Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn image into video in PixVerse. So that actually is the principal thing of this AI, or that's the function of this AI. So what I want to do first is to launch your favorite browser, and then I want to go into that website app.pixverse.ai/home and tap enter. So once we got in, what I want to do right here is to go into create on the left menu, and alright, so we are on the creating phase, and right here what you're going to do is to set the choices that you want them to be on your video. So for example, I will take the 8 seconds, even I will stay on 360p resolution, because I don't have the subscription, or I don't have the pro and premium plan. And also I will set that ratio because I want to post it on my phone and TikTok. And after that I will leave the auto sound and auto speech off. Alright, so that's enough. I will go right here on this option right here, and I will click on it, and I will choose that picture. It's a picture, alright, and it should be PNG or JPG. Alright, right here I will describe the content I want to create. I will go that's alright, sorry. So that's girl. Alright, so an idea, for example, I want this girl to look like look 60 years older, for example, and then I'm going to create, and this picture will turn into a video. So that's how, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.